Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to make the most of Notion for note-taking, your ultimate guide for 2025. To start, you'll need to create a new workspace in Notion. Just click on the plus sign on your sidebar. This is essentially your personal note-taking hub. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step. Next up, we'll create a new page within this workspace by clicking on the plus sign again. Think of this page as a dedicated notebook for a specific subject or project. The reason we do this is to keep our notes organized and easy to navigate. Now within this page, we're going to add a new block. Blocks in Notion are the building blocks of your notes. They can be text, to-do lists, images, and more. Click the plus sign and select text to start typing your notes. This helps us because it allows us to input information in a flexible and dynamic way. Let me explain why this matters. In Notion, you can easily rearrange these blocks by dragging and dropping them, letting your notes evolve and grow with your ideas. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion is saving and syncing your notes in real time, so you won't lose any information and you can access your notes from any device. Finally, the last step is to use the search function to quickly find your notes. Just type in a keyword related to your note in the search bar at the top. This is key because it makes your note-taking efficient and saves you time when revisiting your notes. And that's a wrap. With these steps, you're now a pro at using Notion for note-taking. Remember, the key is organization and making full use of Notion's flexible blocks. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.